Hello, my name is Garho. Welcome to my channel. If you're interested in fashion, if you're interested in unboxing, if you're interested in travel, if you're interested in any of those type of things, then keep on watching. If you're interested in anything that you're seeing here today, please feel free to smash that like button because it does help out the YouTube algorithm. All right, so in any case, let's continue to the video today. If you have clicked on this video, you are probably wanting to see a little bit of an unboxing for the Bottega Veneta lug boot. A little bit of background for the lug boot and how I acquired it. Right now, the lug boot's selling full price on the Bottega Veneta website for about $1,150. Right now, there's that Essence sale going on. Their base price is at $990, and I think it's about the black lug boot right now is selling at 30-ish% off. So I was able to get my hands on it for about $720. Now, the box, when it came, actually before it shipped, Essence sent me an email saying that, hey, you know, the box is actually kind of damaged. Is it okay if do you still want it? They sent me pictures of it, and they said that they would give me a $20 discount if I were to go ahead and accept it. So I said, sure, why not? You know, I was excited about the beautiful green box that Bottega Veneta offers, but you know, an extra $20 off of these boots doesn't hurt as well, so what the heck. So they went over it, sent it to me, and then now I have it. I know these shoes are super expensive, and you know, are they worth it? I will let you know a little bit further down. I just want to start off by doing the unboxing portion now. And welcome to the unboxing portion of this video. So you've probably watched unboxings for this shoe before, and I mean, so have I, and a lot of the times everyone's like, oh, this box is so heavy, I can't keep holding it, and they're right. This box is very heavy, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to hold this box. So I'm gonna just set it aside here. Actually, no, we're doing the unboxing, so I'm not gonna set it aside. So the box came like this. I mean, it's not a real unboxing because I'm not unboxing it from the box. Let me actually show you the actual box that it came in. Oh gosh. And without showing you too much detail of the box, this is the box that it came in. I can probably fit inside of it. And yeah, and I just kind of, yeah, that's really it. Just a box in a box, empty box in a box. So that's what it came in, and this is what the box is. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby. So one beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color box. So the place where they said the box was damaged, I will show you. So you can see here, it's retaped and damaged here. It's retaped and damaged here. It's a little frayed here. This corner is also, all the corners are a bit frayed. So, I mean, aesthetically not cute, not like a cute box moment in your, what's it called, closet. But, you know, whatever. When you look at it from the front, it looks relatively fine. So, okie dokie. So actually, when I opened it, the dust bag fell out. So the dust bag for this is actually super, 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 super nice. I don't know if you'll be able to kind of get how nice this is, but it's kind of like a really thick micro suede or a microfiber or a fleece. It kind of feels like a fleece, a thin polar fleece fabric, but it is very nice. I know the lighting is a little dramatic right now, but you can see Bottega Veneta. The printing is nice. The pull tabs are kind of like just a shoestring. It's a little waxed. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little waxed here. And yeah, nothing really crazy. Here's the stitching of it. But yeah, so that's so you get two of them. One for each boot. So I will set this neatly aside. Okay, and then here is the box. It comes like this. Very well wrapped. And then here's boot one. And here is nicely wrapped boot 2. They did a good job keeping everything together. So here are the bottom of the boots. So the bottom of the boots, it says it's rubber, and then I know if you're watching this one, you've probably watched other unboxings already, but it's not rubber. It's like a foam. So what people have said in other videos that I'm now seeing and I definitely agree with, they're probably going to wear down pretty quickly, or not quickly, but like quicker than rubber, because it's almost like a sponge, like a dense spongy material. I don't know if you were a kid and you had those like toy sponges that like, or condensed, that if you like threw into the water it expands. Kind of like that, just like a very condensed sponge. That'll definitely last you a while, but maybe not as robust as a rubber sole might be. Compared to like the tire boot that's out there, this is maybe less resistant to kind of, chafing on each side in terms of wear down. So it looks like rubber, it's not rubber. It's basically a sponge. It's basically like a compressed sponge. Maybe you can kind of see it better here. If I cover my face, I don't know if you can see it better. But you can see that the bottom's like this weird spongy thing. And then, so, I mean, not much else to say about it, but this is like a mid-calf boot. So I'm not wearing any shoes, so like mid-calf, so it kind of hits me right here. These 2 tabs are really, really interesting. A nice kind of add-on and accent to the boot. So, okay, so let's go over like the seams and everything. So the seams are very nice. This is, it's not a raw edge. Yeah, it's not a raw edge here. But the seams are nice here. This is a nice elastic. It's a very thick, strong elastic. The seams are nice there. And nice and even here. I mean, I think this was already returned once because it's already kind of crinkly, but that's fine. I mean, you're gonna wear it. So the seams are very, very nice. It's like a soft, I'm not sure 100% what type of leather this is, but it's like a nice smooth leather. The toe is hard. So the toe is a little on the firm side. And I mean, yeah, the seat, I mean, it's a well-made shoe. The inside, let's take this out. Here's the inside. So the inside is also, it's a leather lining, a brown leather lining, raw edges on the inside lining. So I don't know if you can see that. So it says Bottega Veneta right there on the inside. So yeah, I mean, that's really it. Okay, so here's a couple review type thingies. A lot of people have been saying that this is a very classic boot. It is, but it's not. So it's still a very much trendy boot. The one thing that I have to stop doing is buying things that I think I will wear and kind of making up events where I will wear these. My style, kind of like you can see, is like I'm not super forward in like the fashion forward trendiness in my aesthetic. So, but like, where am I wearing these to? Brunch? If I go to a museum, I'm not going to wear these to work. And I'm not even going to the office these days. So where am I wearing them? Will I get my cost per wear down with these, even if I was paying full price for these? I don't think so. I have no idea to the grocery store. So, and here's another thing that why I would probably, it'll kind of defer me from actually wearing these. So let me show you how to actually put it on. So here's a struggle of putting it on. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, so here we go. So that is the struggle of putting it on. And then let me show you the struggle of taking it off. So you can't just take it off because you can't. So I like have to twirl it off. Oh my God. So now you see my heel is here, popping out from here. So you kind of have to twirl it off. Okay. Okay. So that's just taking it on and taking it off once. I'm an Asian person. When I go to Asian households, you normally take your shoes on and off. So doing that all the time, I think, is going to be crazy. So the wearability of this goes down a lot for me just because it's so hard to put on and take off. I was very, very confused about sizing wise. On the website, it says to buy it a full size down because the toe box here is very roomy. It's so thick, like your foot will fit, like it's very roomy here. It's just this part that's thin, so it's very hard to kind of slide your foot inside. But weirdly, the toe part is short. So this part makes it look bigger, but it's actually pretty short. Normally Italian size, I'm a size 40, so I did size down. I've heard reviews where people say, stick to your size, do a size 40. I probably would have been better maybe a half size down. So this is a 39. Maybe 39 and a half would have been best. But 39 fits me just perfectly. Like my toe is grazing that front area. I can wear socks with it. It's just grazing. Like it doesn't, I don't feel it when I walk. So it was fine, the sizing. So maybe a full size down. If you're nervous about going a full size down, maybe at least go a half size down if that's possible, if that option is available to you. Then I think that's probably a good way to go with these. Really, and then also, like, they seem to go on sale at certain times. So maybe if you are unsure or, you know, not willing to bite the bullet at the new price of $11.50, then maybe either buy it now or on the Essence sale, or wait till the next, you know, wave of sales comes in the next 6 months. So that's really it. I know I've kind of been rambling a lot, and I've rambling about these. I've also seen a lot of videos where people said, oh, like this is so easy to style. Probably because I'm not the most stylish person, these are not easy to style and also not easy to wear. I tried it on with a bunch of other things. And then not that I baby my stuff, like I generally don't baby my stuff, but this seems so fragile to me. And also another thing that I also heard was that like, because the heel is like this foamy material, don't wear it in the rain, don't wear it in the snow, especially in the snow, in cities, because cities in the Northeast or Canada or wherever you might be, they salt the sidewalks. So you're just gonna have a lot of white rims all over your spongy sole. So the practicality of me wearing these were actually not high enough, and I think I'm actually going to go ahead and return them, unfortunately. So, you know, if you like them and you want them, you know, I hope this was helpful in terms of me showing you kind of like the ins and outs of the shoe and sizing wise and things to kind of look out for. For me, is this something that I want and am willing to keep? The answer is no. Yeah, so lo and behold, at the end, I will unfortunately be returning these beautiful, beautiful shoes, even though I got such a great deal on them. But don't buy things just because they're a great deal, or at least don't keep things just because it's a great deal. So that's my review / unboxing / rant. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Hopefully that will guide you to see if you would like to buy this shoe or not. I unfortunately will not be keeping these, but I do think they're beautiful. Thanks again for watching. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, bye. Bye.